Stop doing boring takeout, do Food My Order instead. Welcome to Food My Order, your ultimate food delivery service in Kathmandu. We're not just about delivering meals, we're about delivering joy. Imagine hosting an event with top-notch catering services. Or having your favorite snacks and meals delivered daily to your office. Sounds amazing, right? That's just the beginning. Whether it's a wedding, a corporate event, or a concert, our catered services and food stalls have got you covered. We're all about bringing delicious, high-quality food directly to you wherever you are. But here's what makes us stand out: your feedback. We listen, adapt, and improve. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is what drives us to be the best. Fancy local Nepali flavors? From momos to chow mein, dal bhat to sakua, we bring you the best of Nepali cuisine, prepared with love and delivered with care. It's super easy to order through our user-friendly website or app. Just a few clicks and your favorite dishes are on their way. Join the Food My Order family today and experience the difference. Visit our website or download the app now. Food My Order, because your satisfaction is our top priority.